Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called Tare weight. Gross weight of a shipment is to the total weight of the tractor and trailer, or when it comes to intermodal, the combination of the chassis and the container along with all its content. In other words, whatever the total weight is of a tractor and trailer is when it is scaled is the total gross weight. The gross weight of a shipment is sometimes called as laden weight, whereas tare weight is defined as the total weight of the tractor and trailer when the vehicle is empty, meaning there is not any product in the trailer. Tare weight can also be called as unladen weight. Oftentimes, the tare weight is printed on the intermodal container to help the computation of the gross weight when loading the equipment. The importance of gross and tare weight is to ensure shipment is legal on roads and bridges. Not only is the total weight important when shipping a truckload or intermodal shipment, but so too is the distribution of weight across the tractor and trailer as illustrated in the image. The total gross legal weight a shipment can move on the US highway system is 80,000. There are some variation and limitation by state and even region within the states, so it is important to pay close attention to the marking and route the freight accordingly. Also, as was noted earlier, there are some regions that have variation on weight for bridges. As a rule of thumb, shippers can load 45,000 pounds for its truckload shipment and 42,500 for its intermodal shipment. The reason the 2,500 pound decrease for intermodal shipment is the combined weight of the container and chassis is 2,500 pounds heavier than over the road trailer. And similar rules and regulations are applicable to each and every country and their respective state. Thanks for watching. Bye.